What was that?
I am a Gundam.
Before we start, I'd like to thank Gunpla for giving me the opportunity to offer you guys a discount on their products via the channel. Their tools are model making game changers. I've been using their tools for well over a year now, from the razor to the sanding loop system. All superb quality in my opinion, and must have for any model maker's toolbox. Click the link in the description below and use code GundamFan7 upon checkout to save yourself 10% off your purchases. With that said, on with the video. What's up guys, welcome back to the channel GundamFan, and today is, well, a new video and got something to unbox, so let's get right into it. Now, I've already opened this one, so it's a bit of a sort of re-unboxing. It's because the good guys over at Gundam Gateway said that they would ship something with gunpla brush. Something, excuse me. I'm suffering from hay fever today, real bad. I've been after a little dust brush for ages now, and the guys over there said that they'd throw one in, and they did, and I was really happy. I unboxed this last night on stream because I was doing an episode on the MGEX build, and I thought, you know what, I'm blowing the dust away. Well, I know that there's one of these in the house, so I sort of went downstairs, got the box, unboxed it, got this out, and it's really great. The only downside to this tool is it pushes in real easy. You'll be brushing away and all of a sudden it'll just pop in. So Gunpla, if they do decide to do like a retooling of this, or source a different brush, it's going to benefit them, because this is all right, but it does need a solid, even if they get like a solid shaft and a storage like cap or something like that, I think they'd do well, because as good as this is, and it is branded, it's not their best tool. But definitely pick one of these up. They're cheap as chips, and you know, it will do the job for the time being. But yeah, that's cool, little freebie. But in this box we have the Full Mechanics Vidar, and I didn't realise how deep these boxes are. This is my first Full Mechanics. It has different style of art than the stuff you're used to, but the similar various images and stuff, promotional shots that we are familiar with. But it has a real, like, I don't know, it has a mature vibe to it. It's like, you know, the HG for kids, this is for adults. I don't know if that was how they intended it to be, but it feels like a more mature style of packaging. But inside it is just a big HG. There are some colour corrected stickers, as you would expect with a HG, but I'll paint them obviously. And the level of detail and how the sprues are, it's just an upscale HG as far as I'm concerned, but with a full frame. So it's the best of both worlds. You get like the cheap price of a HG, but you get an inner frame of an MG, albeit semi-detailed. So it's, you know, for what it is, it does the job. And it's going to be posted next to, sorry about that. It's going to be fuck my life. It's my set's falling apart. You know, this is going to go next to the Barbatos, so it's going to have something to display with. So this is going to be a project soon that I'm going to be really keen on starting. But it is a work in progress, not a work in progress, it's going to be backlog, because I've got so much stuff to get on with, and I'm taking on another project because I said I would paint the RG Mark II Gundam Titans for Faye a long time ago, and I'm decided against it because my RG upstairs is a bit old, it's dusty, and you know, it would take a little bit of love to actually do it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to upgrade to the MG Mark II 2.0, because I can get it from Kickertech for about £42 free postage, so I'll get that next month. Happy days. Right, further into the unboxing, this arrived today, but this isn't for me. But I'm going to unbox it anyway, just to check the packaging and all that sort of nonsense. Make sure it's the right thing that's come over. Henry over on Twitter was after one of these, and he's been struggling to get one. So I looked on eBay, and I managed to get this relatively cheap. And I'll be forwarding it to him on my own back, my own postage. Do the guy a favour, and it is the Flaurus, or Flaurus. It's that kit from that scene, from that thing when they take on the mobile armor. I think in season 2, or was it in season 1? I can't remember. But yeah, I mean, look at that bad boy as it turns into a doggy. But look at that. I mean, it's such a vivid kit. I wish I bought 2. But it's all sealed for him. I'm not going to open it up. This is for him. It's his kit. So I just thought I'd do a little cheeky unboxing, just to highlight, like, you know, that it's in hand. Got it. I'm going to be shipping it on Monday for him. It's only going to cost me about 20 quid to ship it to him. He received his Astaroth last month, or a couple of weeks ago. So this will be following it up, and I have to say, I mean, obviously it's going to have some colour correcting stickers, but that silhouette and what, you know, it's just, IVO kits are just so badass. If these were all MGs, man, Bandai would just not be able to cope. It's probably why they've opted not to go for MGs, because these guys would just sell. But yeah, this looks, you know, the Ricey, you know, he gets all the good kits, you know, and he only started with the greys. But yeah, wow. So yeah, that's the unboxing. I've got these 2 kits, one for me, one for Henry. I've got a cheeky little bit of brush thrown in from GundamFan. GundamFan? I'm GundamFan. Gundam Gateway, sorry. All the links in the description below. Check out Henry and his channel and his boxings and stuff like that. Good guy. He's got good presence on Twitter as well, so go follow him. I'll put the link in the description to his channel and his socials down below, as well as Gundam Gateway. If you're in the UK, it's free shipping. This was second class free shipping, so it took 5 to 7 days to get to me, which is pretty quick for you know, for free shipping. Check out their stock, link in the description below. Good guys, really vocal on Twitter, and you never know, you might get a freebie. But there we go, nice quick, you know, cheeky video. I've got nothing else really to say apart from, you know, the heavy arms is underway, because as you know, Death Scythe is complete. So stay tuned. I might do a progress report on the Project Heavy, but I've got a week off next week, so I want to really crack on with that and get as much of that done as possible before I go back to work. I've got some scribing to do on it, clean up, masking. Yeah, there's loads to do on the heavy arm, so I really want to concentrate on that, get that done, undistract myself. But I have got some streaming to do in between some bits and bobs, so busy, no rest for the wicked. But anyway, thanks for joining, thanks for watching, thanks for listening, and you know, if you do consider hitting a thumbs up if you like the video, I'd really appreciate it, as well as a sub, to bring more content to you guys. And I will see you guys in the next one. Thanks so much.